You can repair a pothole yourself with no special experience required if you follow clear steps and safety practices. Start by assessing the pothole for depth, width, and any undermined edges, then clean and dry the area thoroughly using a stiff brush and a pry bar or trowel to remove loose debris and standing water. For shallow potholes under 2 inches deep, use a cold patch asphalt mix and compact it firmly with a tamper or the back of a shovel. If the hole is deeper than 2 inches, fill in layers no more than 2 inches at a time, compacting each layer to prevent future settling. When working with cold patch, pour slightly more material than needed and overbuild by about 1/4 of an inch because compaction will reduce height. Strike off excess with the flat side of a shovel and compact until the patch is level with surrounding pavement. Always feather the edge of the patch into the existing pavement to reduce stress concentration by angling the material slightly toward the surrounding surface and tamping smoothly. Wear gloves, eye protection, and sturdy footwear, and divert traffic or use warning signs and cones if the repair is on a driveway or low traffic lane. Let the material cure per the product instructions before driving on it, and check the repair after 1 to 3 weeks. For any settling, then add and compact additional material if needed. Common mistakes are failing to remove loose material and moisture, which causes poor adhesion, so always clean and dry the hole first, and undercut edges if possible to give the patch material something to lock into. Another issue is inadequate compaction, which leads to rapid reformation of the pothole. So compact in thin layers using a hand tamper or the flat end of a heavy tool, and check that the surface matches the surrounding pavement. Height. A third problem is driving on the patch too soon, which prevents curing and causes deformation, so adhere to the manufacturer recommended cure time and keep vehicles off the repair for the full period. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a discussion community where people share first-hand repair tips and project experiences. We help contractors find work by listing opportunities and allowing them to engage directly with homeowners and community discussions.